How to install Model 83V of the NHN door closer. Number 1. Assembly. Install the main arm according to the direction of door hinges to door closer. According to this, pay attention that adjusting screws of 1 and 2 are always up toward the door hinges. Number 2. Door closer installing. Please utilize from the installation template inside the box according to the provided movie to install any model of NHN door closer. The location of installation template is the horizontal line corresponding to the top of the door and the vertical line corresponding to hinges axis. Perforate the areas displayed to install the screws of door closer and arms. Then, install the adjustable forearm at the place in the direction specified in the movie. Now, install the main body of the door closer at the specified place with its special screws. And finally, screw the adjustable forearm to the right length and attach to the main arm and check the speed of one cycle of complete closing course. Number 3. Device adjustment. The amount of applied spring force is based on the width and weight of the door. Please pay attention to this amount through the dimensions given on the side adhesive and the table provided in the figure. Factory default settings are displayed in the table with blue color. Allen screw for spring force adjustment moves toward negative and positive directions. Increase the amount of spring force to the required turning number in the positive direction according to the display table if it is necessary. In addition, decrease the amount of spring force to the required turning number in the negative direction according to the display table if it is necessary. Lock types. The locks are divided into two general categories. At the right side of the figure, the electric locks include electric clasp gate lock, electric rim lock. At the left side of the figure, the mechanical locks also include mechanical rim lock, electric strike lock, mortise mechanical lock. If the door is equipped with mechanical rim lock, mortise or electric strike lock, Series 80 of 3-stage door closers have no need to the third stage or final impact. To adjust for no to apply the final impact, place the angle of the forearm on the 90 degree according to the movie. If the door is equipped with the electric lock types, place the forearm with the greater angle to apply the final impact in Series 80 of door closer according to the movie. Given the motion of the forearm, the range of final impact starts minimally from 90 degrees, which has been shown with the red arrow, and maximized up to the angle has been shown with the yellow arrow. Adjusting the speed in the first and second stages is carried out with screws 1 and 2, which is decreased by a slight clockwise rotating and increased with counterclockwise rotating. Number 4. How to close the door. As it can be seen from the movie, The 3-stage door closer has been adjusted in 2-stage mode on the door with mechanical lock. The first stage is speed and the second stage is reduce speed and closing. The same door closer for a door with electric lock, which has been adjusted in 3-stage mode. The first stage is speed, the second stage is reduce speed, and the third stage is related to the final impact for closing. Note that in the 2-stage installation, the first stage from the complete opening up to the last 15 degrees and the second stage is the last 15 degrees. In the 3-stage installation, the first stage includes complete opening up to the last 15 degrees. The second stage is 10 degrees and the third stage is the last 5 degrees.